Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. So, as you can see by the thumbnail, I'm gonna do another bronze, wait no, it's called Opulence Collection. So I'm gonna do another Opulence Collection banger, and I'm gonna use Bronze Temptation. I have way too much fun using Dark Star and Metalmorphosis, so I thought why not use Bronze Temptation again, and try to come out with another conventional kind of cool look, to post on my Instagram. I know that a lot of people are gonna probably naturally be attracted to the colors in Bronze Temptation just because they're so wearable. If you just want to get one of the palettes, you don't want to get the entire collection, you probably want to use one that you're going to be able to use every day. So that's what we're going to do today, but we're going to do it with a little bit of a twist. I'm going to use Metalmorphosis with it, and I'm going to try to create I don't know how to say this. I'm going to try to create like richness and opulence. Just like make it look expensive, so we'll see what happens. I'm gonna zoom you guys in really quickly and we'll get started. As you know, I always have my base on, so I have full foundation, bronzer, concealer, highlight. I got my brows on. I might make them more dramatic depending on the look, and a couple of new pimples, which I'm very angry about because it really sucks to cover them every single day. I veered off my diet a little bit, and I think this is the price I pay for freaking out my system and causing inflammation. Another thing that's new in this video is my mirror. So I have a new mirror that I got from Daiso. This one is more vertical, so it's easier for me to see my entire face. Hello Kitty was cool, but your time is up, Hello Kitty. Like, I can't use you anymore. Welcome new mirror from Daiso, $2. Go cop yours. You're welcome. As usual, I'm going to start with my NARS eyeshadow base. And I'm going to start using the Bronze Temptation palette right away. Okay, so I'm going to start with Celestial, and I'm going to use it all over the lid with my eyeshadow brush from Bobbi Brown. And again, we just want this to help us blend the other colors. So minimum amount is all that is needed. If you guys have never done this, you'll notice the difference is pretty much night and day. Now I'm going to use Burning Desire, which is the orangish transition shade. And I'm just gonna build up the shape of the smoky eye. Okay, now I'm going to use my angled Luxie brush, and I'm going to bring the shape out a little bit more. Every time I apply makeup, I feel like I get a little better, I think everybody has the same problem where the eyes are not exactly the same on both sides. So you kind of struggle like figuring out your shape, but the more you put makeup, the more you kind of realize what your shape is. So if you're like watching this and you're kind of a beginner and you're like, oh my god, I'll never get to a level where I can do makeup, that's intricate and fun and symmetrical. Like, we've all been there. So just keep going. The trick is just to keep working, adjusting, reminding yourself like, where can I improve, like what can I do different next, and then you'll get there. You'll be just like all of the people that you look up to in terms of eyeshadow stars. I don't know. Make it sound like it's a sport. Okay, this is nice and pretty cool, so now I'm gonna go on with the next shade, and that one is gonna be, I think it's called Dark Paradise. I'm just gonna start applying it on the crease. And blend that color together with Burning Desire. Now I'm gonna do the V. Now I'm going to actually do something a little different. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of sterling and press it into the middle of the eyelids, just the way that shine is there. And I'm just gonna use my fingers. This is from the Metalmorphosis Palette. And this is gonna kind of work as a base for the next shade I'm about to lay down. So I'm gonna use Supernova. And I'm just gonna build the smoke on the lid. Cool, and then I'm not sure where I'm going from here, so give me a second. So I'm gonna use a very small amount of corruption to transition the outside with the inside. I'm gonna use a little bit of water with the Kat Von D eyeshadow brush, the angled side. And I'm gonna use corruption again and draw it on the bottom. Perfect, now I'm gonna go back with Dark Paradise and add some final details. And I think I'm just gonna go back with Burning Desire and just like smoke it out a little bit more. Okay, this is pretty much it. I'm gonna go put some mascara and liner on. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so that was it. So this is what the look looks like. And as you know, I'll be posting some pictures on Instagram along with this video. There'll be like a little close-up video so you can see more detail. But that was it. It's a very wearable look, so hooray for another wearable look. Just a couple of things. I forgot to add Celestial to the inner corners and the brow bone, so I did that after I put the mascara and the eyeliner. So it just helped to open up the eyes a little bit more. But as I was saying, this is a very wearable look. I think anybody can wear this. I chose to wear it without any eyeliner. For some reason, I like how eyeshadow looks on me without any eyeliner. I don't know if you guys agree, but I kind of dig, you know, the non-liner look. But it's super wearable, and I think what makes this a little bit more special is using that sterling shadow, you know, that really bright chalk pasty silver shadow in the middle to really brighten, and it really helps to bring the lid out and helps to make the grayish shadow pop a little bit more. Anyways, this is the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and ring the bell button. If you can, I highly appreciate it if you hit that like and share button. Share it with one of your homies. And if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.